I am Prakash Bhatt, age
Yes.
of 70.
Mhm.
I have find from the Facebook of this natural yoga,
Nechra you.
Netra Yoga,
Yes.
and I consult Gayatri madam on the my I have a lot of problems for the diabetes and pressure and all these things. I'm very much frustrated about the medicine, so I consulted. And for 10 days of the program, I got a lot of benefits of the medicine, even though my body, even though my power, my energy, everything I had covered within the
Yes.
10 days. And it's a very fantastic and super treatment given by this center. I propose to the youngest or ages people to please consult and take the treatment for your good and healthy life.
Okay.
And my sugar is normal, my blood pressure is also normal, and I take the good sleep. I am the happiest person after getting the good treatment from this natural yoga.
ઓકે તો હવે ઘરે તમારે ડાયટ ફોલો કરવાનું છે કરશો
Yes,
ટ્રીટમેન્ટ ફોલો કરવાની છે કરશો ઘરે
yes,
પ્રાણાયામ ડેલી કરશો
yes,
આસન ડેલી કરશો
yes.
ઓકે સરસ
And morning walk also I can do daily.
ઓકે ચલો થેન્ક યુ સો મચ પ્રકાશ
So nice of you. Thank you very much.
થેન્ક યુ